Okay. So, because last week Michael Moore talked about Romania, Maurice saw fit to send us a song about Bessarabia. So let's listen to it.
Nach Bessarabien, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich weg nach Bessarabien, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Spazieren, vielleicht wenn dort mein Jester, fröhlich ist gewesen überall. Jotef ist dort gewesen die Gräster, als man vielleicht essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi. Weg nach Bessarabien, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich weg nach Bessarabien, oi, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen, hab ich ständig nur gesehen, Heim, du Teier, du London, New York haben nicht ein Gein. Paris ist bei dir ein Dorf und schön. Die bist die, wenn Herz in mir rein. Denk nach Bessarabien, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabien, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Hier bringt man dort mein Jester, fröhlich ist gewesen überall. Jotef ist dort gewesen die Gräster, als man fragt essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi. Gewesen überall, ein Junge ist dort gewesen die Gräste, als man fragt essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi. Ich denk nach Bessarabien, mein schöne Heim wollt ich gewollt noch sehen. Ich denk nach Bessarabien, oi, es ist schon nicht mehr, was es ist gewesen.
Where is Bessarabia? I never heard of it until recently.
It's covers Romania and I think a couple areas near it.
Moldova, Ukraine,
Yeah.
and I think just a little bit of Bulgaria, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, that sounds right.
So everything. It's the Kurdistan of Eastern Europe.
It's the what of Eastern Europe? Maps. You have to look up the old maps.
Right, because I never heard of it.
The main thing about it is it was part of the Ottoman Empire, so it has a much more eastern feel than other parts near it.
A lot of
the Maariv, the Ottoman Empire was all the way to Vienna. So so you know.
That's true. But like Hungary is really different. They have their own very different language, for example.
Well, yeah, those steppe settlers, though. The Magyar, yeah.
Okay, let's start reading it. Janet, please start reading.
We have heard a number of nostalgic songs like Vilna, Vilna der Kolomaya Badkin, in Mein Städtler Belts, and the mock nostalgic Romania, Romania. Bessarabia was at various times part of old Moldavia, the Ottoman Empire, Romania, Russia, and the USSR. One part of it is now in the Republic of Moldova. The other part is in Ukraine. Jews have lived there since the 16th century. The census of 1897 showed the Jewish population to be 228,620. The Nazis and their collaborators murdered the vast majority. By 1942, only about 200 Jews were left. The song Belz, mein Städtler Belz, refers to the Bessarabian town Balti. Boris Sandler, the Yiddish scholar and former editor of the Vorwärts, was born there.
Go on, please.
Leo Fuld was born in Rotterdam in 1912 to a working-class family. He performed in several languages and trained to be a Chazan, but also sang in bars and cafes from an early age. At age 19, he signed a contract with the Jack Hilton Band, which performed throughout the United Kingdom and Europe. When the Nazis occupied the Netherlands, he sent shortwave broadcasts back to his country. He stopped singing when he learned that his entire family had been murdered. He settled in the U.S. after the war and resumed singing and touring worldwide. He died in 1997 in Amsterdam.
He was very good.
Okay, so let's start. Arlene, can you start reading, please?
Let's see. Am I muted or am I okay?
No, we hear you.
Okay. Ich bank noch.
Bang.
Oh, ich bank noch Bessarabia. Vel Dorton is mir gewein gut.
Gewesen gut, ja.
Gewesen gut. Bank noch Bessarabia. Mein schöner Heim. Vergessen kein ich nicht.
Kon ich nicht, ja.
Kann ich nicht.
Okay, can you translate it, Arlene?
What is bank?
I'm longing for.
I'm longing for Bessarabia. Where there everything was good.
Because it was good for me.
Because it was good for me? Okay.
Because there it was good for me.
There it was good for me.
Yeah, I felt good there.
Okay. What is Bach again?
To long.
I long for Bessarabia, my beautiful home. I don't forget.
Yeah, my beautiful home that I cannot forget.
That I cannot forget.
Okay, thank you, Arlene. Elena, can you read, please? Elena, you are with us? Well, no, she is not with us anymore. So, Elaine.
Okay. Spazieren geht man dort beim Niester. Freilich ist gewesen überall. We went walking, or one goes walking there by the Dniester. Happiness was everywhere. A Jantiv dort ist gewesen die Grester, wenn man fleckt essen Brot mit Kaschkawal. A holiday there was the greatest, the best, when we used to eat bread and kashkaval, which
Okay, and Michael got us a picture of how
Yeah.
kashkaval looks like. A
yeah.
pity we cannot taste it anyway.
Has anybody
I looked it
eaten
up. It's a kind of has a cheddary flavor.
It's
I was
kind
going to
of,
say nobody
yeah,
has tasted it.
yes, because I'm married to a Romanian, so of course I tasted it. It's kind of a little bit salty, a little bit spicy. It's quite nice. And it's good on mamaliga. It's very
On
good on
Mama
mamaliga. Yeah, you grate it on
yes,
mamaliga.
yes.
It's really nice. So, everyone who is Romanian or married to one knows what kashkaval is. So,
I'll see if I can send it to you.
Minna, I'm a gourmet, so is it different enough from any other cheese that it's worth trying to find it and taste it?
I think it's worth trying it. Yeah, it's worth
Yeah.
trying it. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
thanks.
It has a different taste. Yeah.
What
Thank you.
about the smell?
The smell, no, not so bad.
Not so bad. Okay.
Not so bad. Not
Then
so
it might
bad,
be
yeah.
worth trying.
Yeah, it's not so bad. Yeah. Refoil, yes.
Yeah, I believe it's made with sheep milk, not cow milk, and so that gives it a different flavor. It's not like goat cheese. The texture is a bit like mozzarella, a little bit firmer.
Oh.
And the taste is, I'd say, unique.
It's worth trying. Yeah, it's worth trying. You can grate it. You can just eat it like this.
Where would you
It's worth
find
trying.
it?
Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon.
I already looked it up.
Amazon,
Where would you
Israel.
find it in Bessarabia?
Yes.
Next year in Bessarabia, okay?
Yeah.
My mother would say, ich läufe auf alle vier.
Okay. Okay, Elaine, go. No,
okay.
another.
Oi, ich bin noch Bessarabia, weil dorten ist mir gewesen gut. Ich bin noch Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim vergessen kon ihr nicht. And I think that we translated it already.
Yeah, I missed the beginning. What is bank?
To long for.
What is it?
Longing
longing.
for.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay?
Yeah, bank.
Okay. So, yeah, Morty. You're muted, Morty.
Thank you. Yeah, in the second line, I was not the second line, previous. Yeah, the second line there. I was surprised by gewesen. I would have thought that we should use mir gewesen. Good.
I thought they
Any
were the
comment?
same. I thought they were the same.
That's what I thought.
Okay, Rafael?
Yeah, they are synonymous. It's a bit of a dialectical difference, although I think all the dialects can use gewesen in addition to gewen. Like nit or nisht, they're pretty much identical.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Hilda, can you continue?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen, habe ich ständig noch gesehen, heim. Du Teil, du mein. London, nicht, is it?
New York.
New York.
No, it's not.
New York.
Okay, New York.
Yeah, we're not seeing the pages.
What?
We're not seeing the text.
I
see
see
it.
the text.
I see it.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, me too.
Okay, well,
I see.
okay, I got to check my computer here.
Make sure you're on Minna's screen at the top and not on meeting.
Du Teil, du mein. London,
New York.
nicht, is it? Oh, New York, New York, sei haben sehr schön. Paris is bei dir Garten schön. Du bist in mein Hasoren.
Arzen.
My heart.
Tief rein.
Okay, good. So let's translate it.
Minna, can I
Yes.
just say something about the first line? I looked at the sheet from last time, and last time we decided, or someone said, it should be Wo ich bin nur nicht gewesen.
Okay. Okay, so I didn't correct the PowerPoint from last time. So
Okay, all right. So, I mean, that just makes a difference in translation, I think.
Yes, yeah. I just
It makes a difference, but they both fit.
Yeah.
So, wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen, or wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen, are similar. So to me, it reads, where I have not yet been. Habe ich ständig noch gesehen? I have always only seen home. Du Teil, you dearest, you are dear to me, I suppose, and you are mine. London, New
York.
New York. They haben Zeiltam. They have their flavor, their
charm.
Yes, thank you. Paris is by dir Garten schön. Paris, you are a beautiful garden. Du bist in mein Herzen tief rein. You are deep in my heart.
Thank you. Refoel and then Marla. Yes, Refoel.
Yeah, the use of knit with vu in the first line is better translated as wherever I have been. And the knit is really not a negator there. It makes it wherever. Wherever I've been, I've still thought of you, my home. In contrast to London and Paris and New York, they all have their charms, but I like you best. And that's the you at the back, in the last sentence, the last line. You, Bessarabia, you are deep in my heart.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Marla? You're muted, Marla.
Rafal just answered my question. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, so I think, but let's read it again. Isabel, can you just read it?
Ich bin noch Bessarabia, weil dort ist mir gewesen gut. Ich bin noch Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim, vergessen kann ich nicht.
Can you continue?
We've translated that.
Oh, the Spazieren geht man. Just read it.
I don't see it.
You don't see the Spazieren geht man dort?
Oh, now I do, yeah. Spazieren geht man dort beim Dniester. That's a river, right?
Yes.
Freilich ist gewesen überall. Jontov ist dort gewesen der größte, wenn man pflegt essen Brot mit Karschkawal.
Okay. Okay, just finish it for us.
Oi, ich bin noch Bessarabia, weil dort ist mir gewesen gut. Ihr bin Ich denk noch Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim, vergessen noch kann ich nicht.
Okay, can you translate the last sentence? Because I think that's different from the rest.
Beautiful home I can never forget.
Okay, and I think that's again and again. Yeah, it's, okay, so that's, okay, that's different. So, Ralph, can you read it?
Ich bin noch Bessarabia, meiner schöner Heim gewollt ich noch sehen. Ich bin noch Bessarabia, oi, sis schön nicht kein, was es ist gewesen. I'm yearning for Bessarabia, my beautiful home. I'd like to see again. I'm yearning for Bessarabia. Oi, it's shame. It's nicht kein was. It's not like it used to be.
Yes, yes, that's right. Okay. So, let's listen to it once again. This is a freiliche Lied.
Bessarabia, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Spazieren fliegt man dort mein Jester, fröhlich ist gewesen überall. Jottef ist dort gewesen die Gräster, als man fliegt essen Brot mit Katschkewalloi. Ich denk nach Bessarabia, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabia, oi, mein schöner Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen, hab ich ständig nur gesehen, Heim, du Teier, du Mann. London, New York haben die dein Gein. Paris ist bei dir ein Dorf und Schein. Die bist die, wenn Harze mir rein. Ich denk nach Bessarabia, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Hier bringt man dort mein Jester, fröhlich ist gewesen überall. Jottef ist dort gewesen die Gräster, als man fragt essen Brot mit Katschkewalloi. Gewesen überall, Jottef ist dort gewesen die Gräster, als man fragt essen Brot mit Katschkewalloi. Ich denk nach Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim wollt ich gewollt noch sehen. Ich denk nach Bessarabia, oi, es ist schon nicht mehr, was es ist gewesen.
Okay. Any comments? Any
Yes.
questions? Yes.
A question for Raphael. basically the grammar of, in two different places he says, meine Schönerheim, meiner Schönerheim, but I think grammatically it should probably be mein Schönerheim. Heim is feminine. Just a question about the grammar there.
Okay, Rafael?
Yeah, there are several places where the transcription is not quite what he's singing.
Yes.
And I was listening for that. It's meine Schöne or mein Schöne Heim. It is feminine. Heim is feminine. And that word at the end, that last line, Cain, is again a typo. It was mehr. This is a place that mehr nicht sein, which will never be again, because Cain really didn't fit there at all. So it's hard to transcribe a sung music. You got to listen to it over and over again. You got to do it at half speed. It's a marvel that it can be done at all. So kudos to whoever does that. I guess it was
that's Maurice.
Maurice,
that's Maurice.
yeah.
Maurice
But it's hard to do exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, Mari.
So on the YouTube video down below, someone has taken a lot of credit for transliterating it and translating it, but I copied it and checking against what we're saying, and they really changed a lot around and made a lot of left things out and made a lot of mistakes. Maybe perhaps Maurice started from that or whatever, but they tried to make it a rhyme in English, for example, instead of translating it literally.
Oh. Okay. So
I was just picturing people dancing, whirling like a whirling dervish, because it was such a rapid speed, but it sounded very joyful, even though he's missing his home, but it still sounded joyful.
The Mussar Haskel is, don't rely too much on the internet. You have to check for yourself everything.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I know that it's not easy because we are now typing and everything is coming up, but a lot of junk is coming up as well. So we have to be careful about it.
But also translations. Translations not always right. That's why.
Oh, Beverly, I forgot. I can translate the postcard. I completely forgot, but I can translate it. I'll do it.
Yes. Oh, okay. Don't worry.
Completely forgot. Sorry.
Wow. Oh, don't worry. I forget every minute.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, back to what we are doing here. Any more questions or comments before we move to the story? No. Okay. So let's move to the story. And yeah. Okay. So we are here, page 160, and we are just here where Aunt Odell is making Misha an offer that he cannot refuse. She's offering him to give him money to open his own beauty parlor if he will just marry Flora. So let's see what Misha is thinking about this offer. So let's start with, Rochelle. Misha.
Misha hat mit groß Aufmerksamkeit ausgehört die Rede. Misha, with great attention, listened to the words. Was haben vor ihm aufgeöffnet a neue Welt von Möglichkeiten. The words opened for him a new world of many possibilities. Dazu hat ihn gekränkt, was an andere kann bei ihm zunehmen sein Flora. He hat him gekränkt. He was upset that someone could take from him his Flora. Der Gedanke von wären ein Mensch für sich hat ihm gelockt. I don't know what that means.
Tempted.
I'm sorry?
Tempted.
Oh, the idea that he would become a person for himself tempted him. Haben sein Kind mit sich hat ihm der Frei. To have his child with him made him happy. Aber zu derselben Zeit hat sich geschrocken, aufzugeben sein Freileben. But at the same time, he was afraid to give up his free life, während a static name. I don't know what he's refusing.
Static.
Oh.
Static.
I don't know what. Say it again, please.
Static. I
don't
think
know.
that. Let me think. Okay, Refoil raised his hand, so I don't have to think. Refoil.
I'll think instead. Yeah, according to at least one source I have, a static is a well-behaved person, plural staticus.
Okay.
Well-behaved.
So it doesn't have anything to do with statistic?
Most likely not, although it might be related to statisch, stationary.
Okay.
Is it related to static?
It could be.
Be static, like you're in place.
Yeah, stationary.
Well placed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Immobile.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So to become a static person or a well-behaved person, no. Das ist nicht für ihn. This is not for him. Nicht für mission, not for mission. Sein Gedankengang ist bei ihm gegangen hin und zurück. His thoughts were racing back and forth. Wie der Umru von Zeiger, like the restlessness of a clock. Mit Amol hat so getan, and all of a sudden he said, Nein, ich will nicht aufgeben alt. I will not give up everything. Mein Freileben, my free life, to spielen in Kabarett, playing in the cabaret, und werden geführt von a vibe, and to be controlled by a wife, wie a Hund auf a Strick, like a dog on a leash. Nicht für mir, not for me.
Okay, thank you, Rochelle. Thank you. Yes, Refoil.
Yeah, the word umru is an interesting word. Yeah, it does mean restlessness, but it also specifically means the pendulum of a clock. And so that's what it means in this case, to go back and forth like a pendulum on a clock.
Okay, thank you. More descriptive.
Now what Aunt Audrey has to do is to put the head of the horse in his bed or something like this. Okay, let's go and see. Okay. Susan.
Ai, Mishinke, ich hab gemeint, als du bist a kluger. Ai, little Misha. And I thought that you were a smart guy. Wer ich beit dich, heißt dich aufgegeben.
Where is the cursor?
Who, I beg you, told you to give up everything? Wo du meinst, Tage, als alle verheiratete Männer seinen Gole Tzadikim? Do you mean really that all married men, what a Gola, are all true, righteous people? What would Gola actually mean?
Where is this?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
We are thinking. I'm looking. I don't see that.
Yellow is yellow.
Gala.
Oh,
Gala.
Gala.
Or Gala Zenin?
Gole, not yellow. It's not Gale. It's Gole. Refoil, yes?
Looks like all.
Yeah, gol in this case means pure. And so do you think that all husbands are pure, righteous folk?
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
tzaddikim.
Ot sha nem taka mein eigenem gottseligen man. So quiet. Take, for instance, my own God-fearing husband. In lichtigen Gan Eden soll ruhen. May he rest in light Garden of Eden. Hat mich lieb gehabt wie's Leben. He loved me like he loved his life.
Okay, Susan, just stop for a moment because before we move further, Elaine, yes?
Could you just talk about the verheiratete, what does that mean? And
it just means married.
Married, that they're already
Verheiratet, someone who's married.
does it come from like hareat?
No.
Hiring.
I don't know. I
German.
think it's German, but I'm not sure.
Ja, es ist Deutsch.
It's Deutsch? Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so Morty and then Refoil. Morty?
Yes, listening to Golet Tzadikim reminded me of a Yiddish saying that you will enjoy. It says, "Alle Kale zenen shein, in alle Meisim zenen frum."
Okay, that's a good one.
Please translate for us.
Sure. All the brides are beautiful, and all the dead are kosher.
Okay. Refoil, you wanted to add something?
No, I don't have anything.
Okay, so Susan, noch einmal.
Nor eenmaal a Woche, only once a week, is weggegangen in Schwitzbud auf a ganze Nacht. But once a week, he would go away to the Schwitz bath for a whole night. And the question is,
How will you translate
what was he
Schwitz
doing
bath?
in the Schwitz bath?
Sauna.
At the sauna.
Steam room or steam bath.
Yeah.
The steam room. Why? What was he doing in that steam room, huh?
All night. All night.
All night, yes. Something fishy. Is a Zoi gegangen in Schwitzbud, wie du gehst auf Colliers. He went, well, he said he went to the Schwitzbud. He went to the the steam bath like you go on crutches, which it's not true.
Yeah.
I assume that's the meaning.
Yeah, yes.
Nu und die Nacht, was hat gesucht, als geht spielen Karten, and the nights he says he's gone to play cards, weiß ich was, who knows? Meinst, als ich hab nicht gewusst, you think I didn't know? And let's see what she didn't. Wo geht, you think I didn't know where he actually goes? A kluge Frau macht a Schweig. A smart woman knows when to shut up. As du Mischenke wirst haben an eigen Geschäft, and if you, Misha, have your own business, a Stube mit Kinderlich, a household with little children, wird sie sein genug vernommen. She'll be busy enough. Du wirst haben genug Ausreden. You'll have enough time for chatting. What's Ausreden? Just talk it out?
No, I think it's referring to what she's talking about.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it's like Teretzim.
Yeah. She's talking about the freedom, she's implying that he's going to have freedom. And I think that's what it's referring to.
Flora is
Just a moment, Susan. Just a moment.
Yeah, here in Oisred is a teretz. You'll have enough pretexts, enough excuses to be absent.
Yeah.
Flora is nicht von jener, wo's gucken noch. Flora is not one of those who looks after everything. As du wirst mir zerschämt wären an ältere Mensch. And when you, God willing, will become an older person, und seine Tate von Kinder, and you'll be a father of children, wirst mich benchen, you will bless me. Ich bin zu dir, Punkt wie an eigene Mama. I act to you like a real mother.
Ciao.
What's this? Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What is Agana?
Your
own
own
mother.
mother.
Your own mother.
Your own mother. Okay.
Your own mother. Your own mother, yeah. Was ich will sein in dir, what I want to see in you, soll ich der Leben zu sein, may I live to see that in Floren mit dem Kind. What I want to see in you, may I live to see that in Flora with a child.
So who's talking?
The aunt.
The aunt Odl. She's talking. And she's talking to Misha and she's offering him. She's telling him.
Telling him to take the child? I'm not sure.
No. Telling him that if he marries the woman, he won't lose his freedom. He'll gain a new life. He'll be a father. He'll be respected. All this stuff, and he'll still have his freedom to go play around or whatever.
Right. And when he gets old and he's got this house full of children, I'm assuming she thinks they'll have more, he'll be happy. He'll thank her.
Yes.
He won't have the energy
very,
to be
very
running
sharp.
around by then.
She's very sharp and clever.
Okay, Susan, another phone.
Was mehr Mumme Hodl hat zu ihm gerät. Als mehr hat genommen einsehen. The more that Aunt Huddle talked to him, more he was able to see wie gut ihm wollt gekannt sein, how good it could be for him. Hat geöffnet, small, he opened up his mouth, gewein great auf a guten Zusug. He was ready for a good promise. Nor in der Minute hat wieder heruntergekrogen, but in the very minute he held back, he was sorry. Sein Model hat sich vermacht. He closed his mouth und hat actionistic geschwiegen, and he
Stubbornly.
What's
Stubbornly.
Stubbornly. Oh yeah, actionist, and he stubbornly got quiet.
Okay, thank you, Susan. Thank you. Luisa, will you continue?
Thank you. Die Alte hat wie verstanden seine zähmischste Gedanken und sie hat gelassen gesagt. The Alte, the older one?
The old one. Yeah.
The old one.
She means the aunt.
The aunt, right.
The Muma.
The moment.
Yeah. She understood his confused, mixed thoughts, is it?
Yes.
Mixed thoughts. Und sie hat gelassen gesagt. And she, what is gelassen? Let go again?
No.
Slowly.
Calmly.
Calmly. Thank you. Darfst sich nicht eilen mit an Entfer. Neshome meine. You don't have to Aylin would be worry yourself with a reply.
No, hurry.
Hurry.
Hurry up.
Hurry with a reply. Thank you. My dear soul. Keiner zwingt dich nicht. Nobody is it hurrying you?
Forcing you.
Forcing.
Forcing.
Leg sich gut über. Get some rest.
No, think about it.
Think, okay, leg would be thinking.
Well, in this case, I think.
In this case.
So it's like sleep on it?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. So sleep on it. Aber gedenk, but remember, was unsere Chachomim pflegen sagen. But remember what our sages used to say. Der Mensch is amol sich allein der größter Säune. The man, when he's alone, he's his worst enemy.
No. Sometimes. The person is sometimes.
Sometimes, okay, thank you. Sometimes his own worst enemy.
Yes.
Hat sich aufgestellt, wie wegzugehen. He stood up as if to leave. Ich will euch bitten. I will, did he say, I will listen to you? What is bitten?
No.
Ask.
I will ask you.
I will ask you. Hat Misha gesagt mit Gefühl? Misha said with feeling, would it be?
Mm-hmm.
Ihr sollt wirken auf Floren, als sie soll derweil nicht machen kein übergeeilten Schritt und nicht abgegebenes Kind. So he's saying, he's really asking for some time, huh? Hat Misha
Are you
gesagt,
calling me?
ihr sollt, so you please.
I can't hear you.
Who's talking?
Okay, I muted him.
You muted? Okay.
Yeah.
So Misha said with Gefühl would be with feeling, right?
Yes.
That you will please, ihr sollt wirken auf Floren, that you will, would you say that you would ask to Flora?
Insist.
Insist, did you say?
I would translate it as that.
Wirken.
Yeah.
As is all.
Okay, Luisa, I can say it, but I know it in Hebrew. להשפיע.
To influence.
Influence, that's it.
To influence, thank you. So, to influence Flora, as is all that she should, for the time being or for a while, nicht machen kein, not to give the child or not to do any move to give the child away. What would be either geeilten, what is sarit or shrit?
Shrit.
An impulsive move, an impulsive step.
Yeah.
So shrit.
Any hurried moves.
Hurried move, thank you. To give the child away. Ich sag dir zu, she answers, so I'm telling you, as derweil will ich hier abhalten, so for the time being, I'm going to prevent her or stop her.
Yeah.
Von an ersten Schritt from a, what would ersten be here?
First.
Oh, okay.
Ernsten.
No. Ersten would be first, but this is Ernsten.
A serious.
Serious.
Steps.
A truly bad. Yeah.
Okay. A bad impulse of die gei Gesundheit heim und leg sich über. And you go in health home and lie down und los von sich hören. And let us hear from you.
Yes.
Yes.
Sie hat ihm Arois begleit und noch geschreien. And did she sort of escort him out or go out?
Saw him to the door.
Saw him to the door. Very good, thank you. And still cried out to him or cried to him, right?
Noch geschrien is to
scream to him.
To cry out to him.
Well,
Without saying it.
we would say called after him.
Called
Right,
after
because
him.
he was leaving, and so she had to scream a little bit.
No, un.
Un?
And.
Without
Right.
screaming.
No.
Oh, no.
It's
And.
and.
Yes.
So she accompanied him to the door and screamed after him, sort of.
And called after him, yes, yeah.
Los nicht gehen Sachen in der langer Bank herein. Es kann noch Chalile werden zu spät. Do not let things in the longer bank. What it would be in the longer bank? What would be bank here?
Yeah, don't sit on it too long.
Ah, very good. Don't sit on it too long. Es kann noch Chalila werden zu spät. It can, God forbid, be too late.
Don't waste time. Don't waste time.
Very good.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Okay.
don't wait.
Don't take too long. Yeah.
Right, very good.
Don't
Don't
wait
take too long. Excellent.
Don't take too long to move.
Right, to give your answer. Very good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Luisa. Thank you. Yes, Refoil.
Yeah, I see in Stitchkov's thesaurus, he has the expression verziehen in der langer Bank rein, meaning to delay too long.
Okay.
Thank you.
So that's a new expression for us. Okay, Refoil, if you are already here.
Okay.
Please continue.
Es ist zwischen Tag und Nacht. It was between day and night. It was dusk. Misha is angetan in a weißen Chalat. Misha was dressed in a white chalat. It's like a frock or a short smock, a house coat. Wie a doctor, like a doctor. Steht bei der Kasse und zählt Geld. He is standing at the cash register, that's it, yes, and he's counting out money. In Winkel von Meul steckt der Cigar. A cigar is sticking in the corner of his mouth. Auf der rechten Hand von mittelsten Finger, on the right hand, on his middle finger, tragt a goldenem Kedusha ring. He's wearing a golden wedding ring. Clara, a heiche Blondinke, von unbestimmten Alter, so Clara, a tall, blonde woman of an uncertain age, mit an ausgezatzgewetter Frisur, with her hairdo well arranged, ausgezatzget, I think, steht über an älterer Frau und farbt ihre graue Haar auf rot, is standing over an older woman and is coloring her gray hair red. A young Mädel in a weißen Garnitur, a young woman, girl, in a white, garnitur is kind of a outfit. Kehrt zu Neuf, die ungeschorene Haar, is collecting the hair that has been cut.
Sweeping.
Das liegen zu werfen über der Schönheitssalon, which is lying on the floor of the beauty parlor. By a Zeitigtischel, at a table off to the side, was is bestellt mit colorvolle Fläschlich, that is set out with colorful bottles, little bottles, sitzt Flora, is sitting Flora, und farbt die Nägel von a jüngere Mädels Finger, is sitting Flora, and she's coloring the fingernails of a young girl. Der Telefon zerklingt sich euch. The telephone rings loudly. Das Mädel legte weg das Besen. The girl who was sweeping the floor sets aside the broom, hebt auf Streibel, lifts the telephone receiver, und redt rein, and speaks into it. Mrs. Beauty Parlor. Mrs. Beauty Parlor. Where? Who? Permanent? You want a permanent? For when? When do you want it? Just a minute, please.
I was hoping you would give this to Refoil.
Translate.
Bloß ein Minute, sei es gut. Die Mrs. Rosenfarb will an appointment for morgen free. Mrs. Rosenfarb wants a Zusammentreff tomorrow morning. Wendet sie sich zu ihrer Balabas. She turns to her, to the owner, to the boss. Misha guckt in Buch herein and sagt, Misha looks into the appointment book, most likely, and he says, Vernommen, that time has been taken. Erst eins Zeger kann ich ihr geben an appointment. The first time that's available, I can give her an appointment, 1 o'clock, for a permanent. Und das Mädel redt wieder rein in Treibel. And so the girl speaks again into the telephone. Erst eins Zeger, just 1 o'clock, it was the first available time. Okay, no good. Thank you. Schönen Dank. Und das Mädel nimmt sich wieder reinigen. And the girl starts again to clean the floor. Und Misha verschreibt die Schau, wenn die Mrs. Rosenfarb wird kommen. And Misha writes down the time when Mrs. Rosenfarb will arrive. Flora hat schon ungeschmiert alle Nägel von der Mädelsfinger. Flora has already colored all of the girl's fingernails. Gibt sie ihr a check, and the girl gives her a check, hebt sich auf und sagt zu Misha. I'm not sure who is getting up here. But most likely it's the woman who is getting her fingernails polished, colored.
No, maybe.
No,
Maybe
it's
it's
Flora.
not a
You
check.
think it's Flora?
Maybe
Yeah.
she's checking
Look.
the fingernails.
Gibt sie ihr a check? It's possible.
Look at the next
But it's
line.
Flora.
It's Flora.
Okay, but who's giving who and what is a check?
So I don't think here a check is the money. I think that here is a check that she's checking her fingernails.
Okay, okay. She examines it then.
Exactly. She examines her work. Yeah.
I see.
Because
Okay.
she finished, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So Flora then has finished coloring. What's the word? You don't say polish. You don't say color. What do you do with fingernails?
Coloring.
Yeah.
Nail polish.
Yes.
Polish.
Nail polish.
Yeah. Okay.
Nail polish.
Yeah, nail polish. Yeah, she's polishing. So she checks it over, gets up, and says then to Misha, Ich gehe rein in Stub. Ich bin müde. I'm going home. I'm tired out.
Okay. So another paragraph. Yeah.
Geh Gesundheit. Go already. Go in health. Sagt zu sein Weib. He says to his wife, Sei wie sei, vermach ich bald. In any case, I'm closing up soon. Die letzte keinem seinen schon weg.
Can you go over side by side?
Yeah, side by side, in any case.
Oh, okay.
Let it be as it might be. It's from the verb sein, but it's sai by sai. So, in any case, be it as it might be. I'm closing up soon. Die letzte keinem seinen schon weg. The last customers are already gone. Bloß die blonde Clara dreht sich noch herum. Only blonde Clara is still about. Literally, is twirling herself still around. Sie stellt über die Flashlicht. I guess this is the narrator speaking. This isn't him. So she was the only one left. Sie stellt über die Flashlicht. She arranges the bottles, reinigt die Bürstlich, cleans the brushes. Der Telefon klingt wieder. The telephone rings again. Misha hebt auf das Treibel. Misha lifts up the receiver. Hello? Ah, du? Hello, it's you? Wie viel Mal hab ich dir angesagt? as du sollst daher nicht rufen. How many times do I have to tell you not to call me at work? Ich klapp mir nicht auf den Park. I'm not drumming on the drum anymore. Ich habe ein eigenes business. I've got my own Geschäft. No, nein, not at all. Ich bin ein verheirateter Mann. I'm a married man. A Tate von Kinder. I'm a daddy of children. Voje, ich darf dir abgeben a Rechnung? What's this? I'm supposed to give you an accounting? Hat mit der Setz aufgehangenes Treibel. He crashed the receiver down and is a bezer weg von dem Telefon. And in anger, he went away from the telephone. Nor bald hat getan auf Klaren. But soon he looked at Clara und sich breit geschmeichelt and broadly smiled.
Okay, thank you, Refoel. So next time, ladies, when you are going to a beauty parlor, you can talk in Yiddish because you have the vocabulary now.
So did Flora grow up a little? I'm famished now. Now he took the tante up on the deal.
Yeah.
Well, he took the deal. He took the deal and opened his own beauty parlor. He's the boss. He has people working for him, and Flora is also working for him.
Right.
But she's getting tired very easily, and we will see in a moment.
Yeah.
Probably pregnant.
I think she's pregnant. You can tell from what comes up.
Yes. Okay,
But
Barbara.
he gets to fool around.
Yeah. Well, that was the agreement.
Yeah.
Barbara, can you continue?
I'll try. You'll help me. Durch dem Jahr, was Mirsche hat
here it is.
Hassene gehabt mit Florin, hat a Sach passiert. From the time that Misha married Flora, a lot had occurred. Hat an eigenen Geschäft, he had his own business, was geht auf sein Namen, and it was in his own name. Also hat gewollt und nicht anders. And that's what, just as he wanted, right?
Yes, that's what he wanted and not anything else.
And not something else. Und die Alte hat ihm als noch gegeben. And the old woman, the old aunt, looked after him,
No, gave in.
No.
Gave in?
Yeah.
Okay.
What
Noch
was it?
gegeben. I thought maybe indulged him.
She gave him whatever he wanted.
Right, indulged him, yeah.
Yeah, if the beauty parlor didn't make enough that month, she probably filled in or whatever, right?
Yeah, but could be, yeah.
Yeah.
Hat genommen a Schönheits course. Oh, so he took a beauty course. Und schnell gehabt dem Schnitt nicht nur von Haar, Schnitt, dem Schnitt, okay, und schnell gehabt dem Schnitt nicht nur von Haar schneiden. And he didn't just concentrate on cutting hair. Right? Okay. Okay. Nor von alt. But everything else that would be involved. Is geworden a ganzer sport. And he a big shot. He became a big shot?
Spets is like from Spezialität.
Oh, okay. Is geworden a ganzer sport. He became a specialist.
A specialist.
And okay. And
where does that come from? The English, or is that a European expression? Spets.
In Hebrew we say also spets, so from specialty.
Specialty.
Yeah, from specialty.
So it comes from Hebrew, probably.
No, it's European.
German.
No.
Maybe
German.
Okay, go on.
Okay, so
Barbara.
Weiber fragen bei ihm, wie zu verkämmen, Haar und und nehmen on seine Eitze. And women and the wives asked him about. So what is verkämmen here?
How to comb.
How to comb the hair.
Style.
Yeah, and they took his advice. Faran als zelge, for instance, was willen as nor and what he wanted.
No. Der Arsam was willen as nor Misha.
Oh, they only wanted him to work on them.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Azel was willen as nor Okay. Misha soll sie machen schön. Misha makes them look pretty, or makes
So
them
they want that only Misha will make him look
pretty. Yeah, beautiful. Jalavet sei nicht kein complimented. And so does that mean he wasn't stingy on complimenting them?
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay.
Was Jalovit?
Jalovit, yeah.
What is that?
Stingy.
He wasn't jealous.
No, not jealous. He's
No,
not.
it wasn't stingy.
Wasn't stingy. Shalavit is to be stingy, but he wasn't stingy. Of course, he's a good businessman.
Yeah.
So
he wasn't. So the verb itself, it doesn't need a nisht. The verb
you have
itself.
the nisht after. You see, there's a nisht.
Oh.
It didn't
So he wasn't. Got it. He wasn't stingy with them. I got it. Giving them compliment. Okay.
Michael, say it again.
He didn't begrudge.
Exactly, that's it. That's a more to the point. Yeah.
Direct, yeah. Okay, so the emisses, the truth is, as das Bissel, was kann, hat klaren zu verdanken. Was is an emisse Spezialistike in jedem Gebiet von dem dosike Fach. So, okay, I'm going to need help with that. The truth is that in a small part, as much as he could, he owed
the small part that he knows.
That he owed. Somebody else could translate that because I'm too. It's too complicated for me to.
He had Clara to thank for that, for the small part that he knew.
Yeah. Sie ist der MS der Spezialität.
She actually was the
specialist in all the area.
A special task, that special task. So this is the blonde, the tall blonde, who really is the specialist.
No, Flora, he says.
I thought it's Clara.
Yes, Clara, you're right.
Clara,
that's the blonde one, yes. That's the blonde one, you're right.
So Clara is one of the employees?
Yes. She's one of the
sounds like the women wanted him, again, because he paid so many compliments, that they felt beautiful, whether they were or not.
But the one that really knew the beauty business was Clara.
Yeah. But we all know that we are, the moment we have a hairdresser that we like, we are sticking with him or her. So, that's a common knowledge thing, You don't change your hairdresser.
Yeah.
Okay,
well, especially if your hairdresser is flattering you all the time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And sometimes you don't look at the mirror, so that's another.
Exactly.
So can you translate
Luisa.
that last phrase like was is from was is, Emisse?
Was is that she is an
truth.
MS specialist, that she is a truly specialist in jeden Gebiet, in every area von dem dosigen Fach, for this Fach, Beruf,
Profession.
profession, exactly, yeah.
So,
Okay?
can I ask a question, please?
Yes.
So I am confused about, so the Flora is the mother of the child. So
Yes.
who is Clara then?
An
Clara
employee.
is
Who?
an employee.
Ah, okay. So who
She's
was the one
working
who
there.
knew everything, Clara or Flora?
Clara.
Clara.
But did she just come in now, Clara, or was she here?
No.
She came in last page.
But she wasn't here. Okay, she wasn't here before.
No,
but
he's opened a beauty parlor.
Right.
He has employees. He hired a pretty girl who you're going to see he has more going on with. And she's really the backbone of the business, but he gets to, play around and give people compliments, which I'm sure is how he gets his women as well. So, he's doing all right.
And his wife is pregnant, most likely.
I think that Jale comes from Polish, that he didn't really mind. He didn't mind giving the compliments. That's what I think he's referring to.
That's his specialty.
That's his specialty.
That's very well said.
But in Yiddish, Jaleven is usually understood as not saving or not being stingy. That's how it is in Yiddish.
It didn't hurt him. It didn't hurt him. I think I think it comes from Polish. You don't think so?
Probably came from Polish, but it has a little bit of a different meaning in Yiddish.
Yeah. That could be. But in Polish, it's part of an expression like that. It doesn't bother me, or I can do that. He could do that.
No, I think in Yiddish it changed the meaning a bit. Yeah. Morty, go on. Misha verschließt die Kasse.
Misha verließ die Kasse und tut so zu klaren. Misha closes the cash box and says to Clara, nimm mir nicht an kein customer. Do not take any more customers. Ich komm bald zurück. I will be right back. Und lässt sich gehen zu a seitiger Tür, and he lets himself go to a side door, was führt zu sein Wohnung, which takes him into his home.
Morty, just a second before continuing. Yes, Barbara.
So a question for Schlist. I see Schlissen to pour, so I thought it meant to pour out the contents of the cash box.
No, it's a lock.
Lock.
Oh, it's a lock. To lock.
lock.
Thank you.
From Schloss. Schloss is a lock.
Schloss. I got it all mixed up.
It's a lock.
Great. Thank you very much.
The word you were looking about pouring is gießen.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, go on, Morty.
In das Zimmer liegt Florin auf a Sofke. Flora is lying on a sofa in the dining room. A runden Tisch sitzt die Mime Hodel. And by the round table is sitting Aunt Hodel. Auf a hoher Kinderbänkel sitzt Skind. On a
high chair.
A high chair is sitting the child. In Hand halt die Alte a Fläschel Gurken. In her hands, the old woman has a pack of cards. Sie sitzt darum, sie zieht darum a card. She takes out a card, warft das Leben Kind, throws it near the child, und redt mit groß kennt nicht, and knowingly says, Zog Feiverle, Chippe Zibbele. say Feivel, the name, Chippe Zibber, it's a 7, a little
What is
7.
cheaper? What is cheaper? I couldn't find.
I don't
Does
know.
anyone know what is a cheaper?
The only time I've heard the word Chippe was a surname for a friend of mine called Sipora.
Maybe it's the one from the cards, you know,
Yeah,
seven
it's
of
one of the
clubs
cards.
or
Yeah,
Yeah, one of
definitely a
the
card.
yeah, it's a card, but it's probably the
I think it's 7 of spades.
seven of spades.
Okay, good.
Chippe Zibberle, zoekt kind. A 7 of spades, says the child. The
No, the Tsibale is an onion.
Yeah, Chippe Zibberle, yes. Chippe, well, a Chippe Zibberle, an onion of spades, says the child. Sie zieht daraus a zweite card. She pulls out a second card, legt dus weg, and puts it away. Und dus wusses, and that, what is it? Kind guckt sich ein und schweigt. The child looks and he doesn't say anything. Zog a quiv. Say a quiv, I don't know what.
Queen.
Oh, a queen. Oh, a queen, yes. Yes. Say a queen. A pin. A pin.
A queen, like you would say in
Baby
English.
talk.
A queen.
Baby talk, a pin. Oh, okay, for a queen. Yeah. Und this is a Kaiser. And this is a king. A Pfizer, says the child.
He cannot say it, yeah.
You can, yeah. I am not, Misha.
You don't do baby talk, Morty?
No. I was going to say I'm not Refoil. I don't have that ability. Misha, der seht wie die Alte lernt Kind spielen kurten. Misha sees how the old woman is teaching the child to play cards. Zerschreit sich, and he screams, Ich betach, Mime, I beg you, and lernt nicht Kind spielen kein Kurten. Do not teach the child to play cards. Lernt him besser dus Aleph Beis. Better you teach him the alphabet, or the ABC, or the ABC.
So either the Hebrew alphabet or the English.
Yeah. I, a gesund auf dir, Mishenke. Oh, may you be healthy, Misha. Wenn ich wollt gekannt, if I could, wollt ich ihm avade gelernt. I would of course teach him, mit God's help, with God's help, wenn wird gehen in school, when he is going to go to school, wird men ihm lernen. He will be taught there. Wird bei mir gehen in Cheder. He for me will go in Cheder, euch also, in wird auswachsen a guter Yid, and will grow up to be a good Jew.
Okay, thank you, Morty. Michael, you're still here? Fisman.
I think he left. He had work.
No, he's
No, that was the other Michael.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Michael, please.
Okay, a doctor will ich soll werden. I want him to become a doctor. One Flora. Flora calls out suddenly. I have to make a remark here. Becoming a doctor is so important for immigrants. And there's a wonderful story by Yud Singer called Dr. Georgie, well worth reading or listening to. Anyway, man kann sein a doctor und euch sein a guter Yid. Possible to be a doctor and at the same time be a good Jew, sagt Misha. Misha says, in America is alles möglich. Everything's possible in America. A tire gebencht land, a dear, blessed country. Nu, wie feels du? How are you feeling? Florenka Flora, wendet sich zu seinem Weib. He turns to his wife. Snudiert mir nur zum Brechen. I am nauseated to the point of vomiting. Svet übergehen, it'll pass. Wees Gorvorst, you know what? Ich will onstel noch a Mädel. I will employ an additional young girl. Ich will nicht, dass du sollst arbeiten bis in die Heuche Chadoshim. I don't want you to be working to the late months of pregnancy. Ich kann mir geläubt zu Gott. I can, God be praised, vergehen, allow myself, the Geschäft geht gut. The business is doing well. Good, efter noch etliche Wochen will ich arbeiten. Good, perhaps I'll still work for a few more weeks. Bis man wird einbrechen an ein Mädel until the new girl is broken into the work. Sie warft Mission zu einem dankbaren Blick. She throws a grateful look at Misha und Misha geht zurück in Geschäft herein. And Misha returns to his business. Muma Hedel kleibt zusammen die Karten and Hodel collects the cards together, legt sie zurück in Schublade rein, puts them back in the drawer. Danach geht sie zu Floren. After that, she approaches Flora. Das rechte Auge is by ihr halb vermacht. Her right eye is partially closed. Das linke tut a lachendicken Wink, und sie tut klugerisch Sorg. The left eye does a kind of smiling wink, and she says she has something smart to say to Sorgen. Nu, Flourish, now, what do you think, Flourish? Was habe ich dir gesagt? What did I tell you? Geduld, patience, und mitten guten, and with good behavior, und ein bisschen Seichel, and a little bit of common sense. Is doch ein Oitzer. After all, he is a treasure, a tzaddik, a righteous man, a goldener man, a golden guy, una brillianter Tate, and a brilliant father. Geläubt aus Ebersten, praised be God. What sie früh gesagt, she piously said, was ich hab erlebt zu sehen als Nachas, that I have lived to see such Nachas pleasure.
Michael, you can stay with us and finish the story? That's okay?
Actually, I'd like to go, if you don't mind.
Okay, because I know, I see that sometimes you're leaving. Okay, thank you, Michael. Thank you. So let's finish it. David, finish it, and then we will have questions. Okay, Louisa?
Okay, sure.
Okay, so David, please.
New flourishing, yo.
No, Inem.
Inem. Oh,
Inem
I danke. Yeah, Inem Schönheit Salon. Is der Tag Arbeit gewesen beendigt. In the beauty salon, the day of work was over. Die blonde Chlora, ungetan in Mantel, und Mantel und Hund, guckt in Spiegel, der noch öffnen sie ihr Beitel, guckt dort in rein. Or Markton Beitel. So what's going on here? The blonde Clara put on a jacket and a coat and a hat, looks in the mirror, opens her purse and looks inside, closes the purse, effend im wieder, opens it again. Epis azoi wie sie wollt auf Epis gewahrt. It's as if she's somehow waiting for something. Misha geht zu ihr, und sagt still. Misha goes up to her and says quietly, Nein, 9 is eger, 9 o'clock. Sie tut zufrieden a Schmeichel, nur bald verwolken sich ihr Ponam, und sie sagt mit Verwurf. She makes she makes a satisfied smile. She smiles satisfyingly. Only soon her face becomes a little bit, cloudy. I guess cloudy, and she becomes.
She says.
Kitty. Okay. Sorry, the cat is attacking. Parov, and she says with a little bit, I guess a little bit scolding of her Wurf. Das letzte Mal, wenn du bist bei mir gewesen, the last time you were by me, hast du euch gesagt, nein, und gekommen bist du mit a show später. Last time you were here, yeah, you said at 9 o'clock, but you came at 10 o'clock, an hour later. Du bist doch etwas a klug Mädel, Clara. Und du weißt ganz gut, als ich bin ein verheirateter Mann. You are indeed you are a rather smart girl, Clara. And you know quite well that I am a married man. So.
Okay. And that's the end of the story.
That's the end of that story.
Thank you.
I also noticed that every time every time they mention her name, they mention that she's blonde. So we keep getting the image.
And tall.
But who's
And
calling
tall.
him on the phone? Who's calling him on the phone and he says, "Don't call me again"?
That's
Who
the
knows?
Jenny.
That's Jenny.
That's that's the Schwarze Jenny
Schwarze
from the cabaret.
Cabaret.
Where he used to play.
Got a lot going on.
Yeah, so
So I love that now he's using marriage as an excuse whenever he needs it
Right.
or wants to.
Yes.
And he used it before. I mean, this is a refrain.
No, but
Is
this
that-
is the
is that-
exact opposite.
Yeah.
You know, he didn't want to give up his freedom. He didn't want to get married. But now that he's married, that's his excuse. Before it was that he was free.
Did they ever find out about the wife that he said was missing?
That's exactly
Irrelevant.
right.
No,
That's
no.
right.
But that's, it's kind of,
That's the end of that. But
the chances of her living is slim.
And,
made
and we don't even know whether he made that whole thing up.
Yeah, he probably did, and that was he could push her away.
Let's say that even if he didn't make it up, but still, there's no way of finding out.
No, the author doesn't tell us.
Yeah.
But it
Okay.
shows that he doesn't change. He gets
He's a scoundrel. That's
And so is the aunt.
But everyone got what they wanted.
I think everybody
Everyone-
is just
Yeah.
dealing with reality.
Yeah, everyone got what they wanted. Flora, she got married.
Right.
Odell, she wanted her to be married and the child to be legal.
Right.
And he got this kind,
He wanted a business.
He got his cake and he could eat it. So, he got everything. So
and she would have had a hard time finding a man to marry her. She already had a child out of wedlock, and
yes, at that time, especially at that time. Yes.
The in-laws of the husband would not have allowed it. I mean, she was a marked woman.
Yeah.
Ay,
So
ay.
in the end, everyone got what they wanted.
Yeah.
I wonder
Minna,
if the
thank
child
you.
did.
Thank you so much for picking this out. It was
great
just a
story.
joy to read. It's
It was
such a
terrific. And I was
Yeah.
actually able to follow a lot of it on my own. So
Great,
it was,
great,
yeah.
Bonnie.
Yeah.
Very good, great. But Louisa wanted, her aunt was raised before, and I told her after we finished. So Louisa,
Thank you. I had a question about something that we read on the page 164 in the paragraph before the last one, where it says Geläubt dem
Eberster.
Yeah.
¿Qué quiere decir? What does that mean?
Thank God.
Gracias a Dios.
Thank
Okay.
God. It's thank God.
Thank you.
Thank God. That's what I said in Spanish.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Praise
No
the
hay de
one
qué.
of God.
You're thinking in Spanish like I'm thinking in Hebrew. You are
Hebrew,
translating
that's right.
into Spanish. Yes, Rochelle.
This is the Yiddish that I grew up with. I read fluently because it was so familiar to me, the words, the expressions, the underlying
And the
humor.
English, and the
And with the
English.
Yeah,
English.
the English also, but the
Yeah,
the
the
Yiddish was
English.
so Hamish familiar.
When was it?
You know,
When
some of
was
the
this
stuff that
written?
we've read was more literary. Some of it was,
Yeah, when
you know,
was this written?
Just let Rochelle finish and I'll tell
so
you.
Okay.
for me, it was an absolute total delight to read this story.
Me too.
I'm glad. So, Elaine, there is no date on it, but since he says it was after World War II, because he's talking about the gas chambers and his wife and everything. So it's after the war. So I can assume it was in the beginning of the 50s, something like this.
And who's the author?
The author is Sarah Hammer Jacqueline.
A woman.
A woman, yes. Only
We
a
read
woman.
something of hers
only a
before.
woman could have written.
Only a woman can write like this. I sent you when the first time that I sent you the story, I also sent you some information about it.
Okay, I'll look.
Yeah.
How do you spell her last name? Joachim? No.
What? Jacqueline.
Yeah.
The last name?
Jacqueline. Sarah Hammer Jacqueline.
It
Could
sounds
you
like a
send
person.
us a link again?
I will find it and I will send you the link.
I
again.
can find it too.
Yeah.
So
if you find it, send it to everyone. Okay.
Sure. I will.
I want to ask I guess it's grammatical. When you have the prefix far or farstein or in general, does that have a particular meaning? So in other words, if I recognize the verb, but it has a far in preceding it in the word, does that?
Yeah.
That's a question for a foil. I think it's just, it depends on the word that comes afterwards.
Yeah.
But
I think it's an
definitely farstein is
intensifier.
not one of those.
Yeah, it is an intensifier. I
Like
think.
if you have bringen and farbringen. So you have bringen meat, and then farbringen is really an intense meeting, like a celebration.
Yes,
question.
Louisa.
Yeah, I wanted to ask about the title because it's Stott und Städtel, right?
That's the title of
the book?
not of the story of the book.
So there is a whole book that she wrote.
There is a whole book. She wrote more than one book, but that's the stories. That's a collection of stories. Stott und Städtel is a collection of stories.
You can find it in the Yiddish book center.
Exactly. That's where I find it. That's where I find all the material.
What did Morty say?
You can find it in the Yiddish book center.
Okay. And so she's been translated. I wonder if Julia ever heard that.
I don't know. You can find it. I know you can find it in Yiddish.
Right.
Yiddish, not in English. I didn't find the translation for it. I checked. And I didn't find the translation for it. So.
If it was in English, you wouldn't get nearly so much out of these classes.
Exactly. You're right, Daniel.
I wonder if Julia ever knew her. I don't know if Julia's still on.
No, she's not.
Yeah. But you
She
know
was
that
at the beginning. But yeah, she's there are so many women Yiddish writers.
Yes.
Really. A lot of them.
But that's what Julia's specialty was. Yiddish women writers.
Mina, you mean in the United States or in general?
The Yiddish writers,
Yeah.
most of them came to the United States from, Poland, Russia,
Oh, yeah.
wherever. Most of them emigrated to the United States. But some wrote when they were, in East Europe as well. Some even emigrated to England. So, but there is really a lot of them.
I would think it was a more freeing environment for the women to be able to write.
Yes.
What about Latin America?
There are lots of them in Latin America,
Okay.
really, and we read some when we read about, when we did our tour around the world, and we read authors from Brazil and Chile and Mexico. There were a lot of them.
Right.
So also in Israel, even in Israel, we read also women Yiddish writers in Israel itself. So really, In Australia, it was men. No,
Ah,
I couldn't find women, but that's yeah. But so from time, a lot of I have here another 2 women writers. But next time, because Passover is coming on, we will read a story by Sholem Aleichem that it is hilarious. Charoset. It's called Charoset. It is really
Great.
I couldn't stop laughing. So that's
wonderful.
So that will be next week. I will send it to you on Thursday. And that's it, folks. Unless you have something to talk
I do have something worth
about.
sharing.
Okay.
There was a new book coming out soon called Here Where We Live Is Our Land. It's apparently the first popular history of the Bund. One of the guys at the Talk from the Ish Book Center recommended me, and I'd heard about it beforehand. So I just reserved my copy. So some of y'all might be interested in that. It's sort of a very accessible, sort of, quite frankly, superficial history of the Bundist movement. So I thought some of you may find that neat.
Published date?
I think in like a week or 2. It's not out yet.
Wow. Oh, let us know for the book fair.
Yeah, that's I thought about.
Oh, you mean wait. I don't know about the book fair. I'm not connected to it at all.
No, I'm telling you, let me know the author. I can recommend it for the book fair.
Sure, I will. Oh, there we go. I'll send you an email with her.
Thank you.
And Daniel, there is a book talk about it, or just the book?
No. This book just came out. The other book, the talk is about the myth of Red Texas, which is a totally different thing.
Okay, that's something good.
Yeah, the author who's talking Thursday is a writer for Jacobin. David Griscom. There we go. Very different writer from John Griscom. He's doing his talk at Brazos Bookstore if anyone is interested on Thursday.
Wow. Yeah, but you need to be in Houston, so that's
exactly. Yes.
Not relevant to most of the people here. So
I know it's very sad.
Who is in Houston?
Me.
You and Daniel and Beverly and Barbara.
No, what is that topic on?
The topic. I thought that you would.
No, I asked about who was
on Brazos Bookstore.
So the one at Brazos Bookstore is about a new book coming out called The Myth of Red Texas. It's essentially the simple history of like the left-wing progressive movement in Texas before it got, snuffed out in the 40s.
Okay, so send the link to Beverly.
Send it to me. I'll send it out.
Sure, I'd be glad to.
Thank both.
But by now the Houston Yiddish Winkel is more the American, or not even the American, international. We have Hilda and Morty and Michael Fissman, that the international.
And Hilda?
And Hilda, yes, I say Hilda, of course.
And Refoil's in Kentucky, folks.
That's not international.
It's Kentucky. You're right.
Unless Kentucky seceded.
You're right. No,
Give it time.
So please remind us where the other ones are, the ones who are not in Houston, so that we
all over the place, all over the United States, and like Hilda is in England, Morty is in Peru,
right.
Michael Fissman is in Canada, Sol is in Florida right now. Yes, Sol, you are in Florida now. Elaine is in Allentown. Yes, Allentown.
Where is that?
Rochelle is in Florida.
All right, let's go.
Ralph, you are in the Twin Cities?
Yeah, Minneapolis.
Oh my God, you're freezing.
Brenda is in Florida. David Katz is in no. The other city in
Texas. Dallas. That place.
Dallas.
The other city.
The other city.
Our competitor city.
Marie is in the
Oregon. I'm in Oregon now.
Oregon.
In Oregon.
Wow.
And
that's right.
Refoil is in Kentucky, and there are many others. There are Susan is in Florida as well.
Yeah, and and Sofer, we have a woman Sofer on.
Neely, it's Neely.
Oh, Neely, I've never seen you before. How nice.
Yeah.
The first time that you see
Yes, how wonderful.
Neely is in Houston.
It's great.
And Arlene is in Houston, and Andrew is in Houston.
And Rochelle is in
Florida.
I'm in Florida, but also in New York. I go
In
back
New York.
in April.
Yeah, and the same is for Marsha. Marsha is in New York and in Florida, you know. So,
Andrew's in Houston. Okay.
so
I thought that most of the people are from Houston, no?
not anymore. Not anymore.
They
Really?
let us in and we won't go away.
We have become a minority. We are a minority.
The wonders of Zoom.
The one,
The miracle of
Of
Zoom.
Zoom, yeah.
We used to go to Beverly's home every Tuesday.
Right.
Yes,
Every
yes,
Tuesday morning, Beverly.
Oh.
Beverly and Dave hosted us. Yes.
Exactly.
How many people from Houston?
I
don't know.
didn't count. I
Used to
didn't
be
count.
25. You know, when we met in my house, it was 25, but nah. Not
But
any-
no, many of them don't appear, don't come anymore. So,
No.
but
Yeah.
right now we are a minority. But that's
But
okay.
originally I'm from Israel.
Yeah.
Really?
Okay.
So beautiful.
We
I never
thought you
knew-
were in Israel. I thought you were talking to us from Israel.
Me too.
This
No,
is-
no.
Where are
He's in
you
I
now?
moved. We moved to America, I think, 40 years ago.
Ah, I
So
thought you were-
where are you? I missed it.
Huh?
She's in Houston.
She's in,
Oh, she's
I'm
Nili
in
is in Houston.
Houston.
yes.
Oh, okay.
Very
So
good.
why-
She
So
kept
why
her
don't we
Israeli
ever
accent.
why don't we ever see you? I thought maybe
Taka.
Because sometimes I forget about
She's
the.
not, no, she's not for puts.
No, I'm talking
Oh,
about
come
I thought
on.
you were I
I'm
thought you
an
had
Israeli. I'm not an American. But I need
I
to
thought
be
you were having internet problems, and that's the
Yeah.
reason why you didn't put your camera on.
No,
Yeah.
but she's not for puts.
Right.
It looks
For
great.
shoots.
Today she's for puts.
Well, our story was about getting ready with the beauty parlor. So
Yeah, now we
I
have
need
the
to.
travel
I
and-
need to meet Misha.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Hi,
Thank you.
Me'alek.
Thank you.
Zlag is
ונצא
on.
נוח
Like a
הבוך,
Zambala.
היי,
הגות
מאלק,
אבוך.
Thank you very much.
ביי.
Good to go.
תודה, כל
הגות
הכבוד.
אבוך, הגות